Okay guys, this one is Airbus A330-300. Let's see the cockpit here. First let's balance the brightness of this display and the brightness of primary flight display. Okay, the A330-300, the Airbus cockpit almost the same almost, except Airbus A350 and A380. Forget about the old ones. But let's begin here with the flight control. The joystick, something that we don't like in Airbus. It can control roll and pitch of the aircraft. It means roll and pitch. And here it's like a steering wheel. It's control the aircraft movement on the ground, or you can use pedal. If you put left down and the right down and the left up, the aircraft will go this way, and if this way, it is vice versa. So this one is to control the aircraft movement on the ground, and this one is throttle or accelerator of the aircraft. We have trim wheel here for trimming the aircraft, engine start switches and ignition switch, and we've got here the speed brake switch and ground spoilers, and have flap switches. Here is parking brake, or we can call it from the car we say the hand brake. Okay, we have radio panel here. We have MCD or flight computer. For example, you input the flight plan. You need to go to from maybe Dar es Salaam. From Dar es Salaam, you put here from Dar es Salaam to somewhere else. Then maybe to Kenya, Jomo Kenyatta maybe. You put it, then you keep it. You keep it here, just like that. And here we have some display. They call it MCAS. I forget the long form of it. This is used to show the system of the aircraft. Here, from the engine, bleed, pressure, doors, wheel, flight controls, fuel, and others. It is used to display there. Here is landing gear, or wheels, down and up. We have auto brake, anti-skid switches. This lights for landing gear to show the landing gear is down or up. Then we have glare shield here for the autopilot controls. We have flight directors, landing system. This for adjusting or selection of the navigation display, the navigation, VOR, landing system, arc, flight plan. And then we have zooming here. You can choose what to see: waypoint, VOR, NDB, airports, and we have speed controls, the autopilot for the speed, heading, altitude, vertical speed, autopilot, auto throttle, localizer, approach, and altitude change. So this same to the first officer's seat. So here's some of the switches down here, and you have some for the brightness and switching displays here from there. Then let's see why these displays are red. This means no map available. This one for the primary flight display and navigation display, it does not know where it is right now. How do you relocate the aircraft or repositioning? You come here to ADIRIS, or Air Data Initial Reference System. This is flight repositioning switch that will know the aircraft where is it right now. And here we come down to the, so after switching on this to nav, it will show you there where is it. Then we come to APU, auxiliary power unit, fire warning, and the test, flight control, fuel evacuation, emergency electric, GPWS, ground proximity warning system. These are very important. They can warn you if you are too low near the terrain. It can tell you if you had that too low terrain warning. So it is warning you. Then here we have horn switches, we have wiper switches, and rain repellent that avoid the drops of rain to be staying here. We have external lights. We have strobe light, that white flashing. Then we have beacon, red one. Then wing lights, nav lights. We have landing lights, runway turn-off lights. We have nose lights, which is taxi and takeoff lights. And here we have internal lights. And these are for the dome and the storm, the high lights, so dim lights. We have seatbelt sign, and we have emergency exit lights. And here is no portable electronic device. Is this light switch is to warn you that you are not allowed to use your portable electronic device, so you can avoid the interference between radio waves from the cockpit to the ground or to the tower. This interference may lead to miscommunication. It may cause even aircraft collision on the ground, or from the air to the ground, or from the air to air. I mean that one. Here we have cabin pressure switches, we have air conditioning switches, we have fuel pump switches, we have engine switches here. Engine of fire warning systems. Okay, let's find something else here. We have, I think I've explained some, and let's go here for the fuse. This just not switches but fuse, these black stuffs. If something is inoperative, you can disconnect and connect according to the manual. We have oxygen switches here. The good thing about these are written there. Now we can see the flight computer. This one is where you enter the flight plan. I've said about this. We have here, you can put flight plan if you already put Dar es Salaam maybe to Jomo Kenyatta, I said. Then first you can't put the flight plan as long as the aircraft does not know where it is. So put here, you can check performance of the aircraft. You can check the progress of the aircraft. It is down here, so nothing is going on here. You can check the aircraft data, everything, it is here. Okay, then I don't think if we have something else for now.